Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Melissa. This is kind of an impromptu video, but I started to make dinner and I thought I have not done a recipe on my channel in a while. So I'm making a green bean casserole tonight. So I was going to go ahead and share that with you guys because it's really delicious and maybe you might like it also. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what I got here. Alright, so right now I'm just browning some ground beef here because we do have meat in our green bean casserole. If you do not eat meat, you can just leave this part out. But yes, I'm browning this, and then let me show you everything else that will go in here. You will need 2 cans of French style green beans. You can use cut green beans if you want to. I just like these French style cut green beans. So you will need 2 of those. You will need a can of cream of celery and a can of cream of mushroom. Then you're going to want to layer cheese on top, and I do use about 3/4 of this bag. You can use the whole bag if you want it to be extra cheesy. And then I'm going to use this stovetop as the top. Usually I do tater tots, so this right here is new tonight. I'm going to try it and see if it's any better. So once it comes out of the oven, I will let you guys know, and after I taste it, I'll let you know whether or not I recommend still doing tater tots or if this is just as good. So this is what you'll need. I will see you in just a minute. Alright guys, and that was 1 pound of hamburger meat that I used, and I set my oven to 350 and let that go ahead and be warming up. So you're just going to want to go ahead and put your beef in there, and both cans of green beans. These do need to be drained. You don't want the juice or the water from the green beans to be in this. And you're just going to mix this all together. It's not going to look super beautiful, but it's going to taste fantastic. Then we're going to put our cream of celery and our cream of mushroom in no particular order, and it is the whole can, and then we're just going to mix this up until it is all combined. Alright, now that it's all mixed together, we're going to add our cheese. This is mild cheddar. You can use whatever kind of cheese you prefer. This is the kind that I like. And I'm just going to spread that all around, make sure it's on there evenly. Now I'm going to melt about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. And I'm just going to pour that just kind of in different areas, just to give that some moisture so that it will not be super dry when it comes out. Alright, and now we're going to put it in at 350 for 20 minutes, or I'll let you know if the time changes, because like I said, I've never made it with these stovetop stuffing crumbs before, so I will let you know. Okay, this is what it looks like when I'm taking it out. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a plate, see what it looks like. I will taste it, and I will let you guys know how it is with the new topping that I chose to use. Alright, it doesn't look very beautiful like sitting right here, but it is really, really good. I don't know which one I like better, this one or the tater tots. I think I like this one better. It has a little bit of a crunch to it. Oh man, it's delicious. I don't know whether or not my husband's gonna like this better because he loves the tater tots about the other casserole. So I'll have to let you know his opinion down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link everything that I used down below in case you just sped through this or you forgot. It will be linked down there, and I will see you guys in my next video.